While Ukraine has previously found massive amounts of Russian ammunition they have managed to target, this one is one of the larger ones. As Russia's incompetence can't be understated, as they place hundreds of rockets out in the open, just waiting for a Ukrainian drone to find them. While Russian troops complain about ammunition shortages, large amounts are placed outside and are being destroyed by Ukraine. As the Ukrainian drone sends back coordinates, the chain reaction is started at night. Immediately rockets start flying off, for it then to turn into a massive explosion with effects. Just giving an indication of how many rockets were stored in between the buildings, taking out a lot of ammunition, reducing the pressure on Ukrainian troops. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.